Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys a product review. So I got this blow dryer off of Amazon after watching Amber Anash. I don't know if I'm saying her last name right, but I watched her video, and after watching that, I had to get this blow dryer. So I will link that blow dryer down in the description box, but that's what we're going to be doing today. So I have already washed and deep conditioned and all that good jazz in the shower. And now I just have to apply some leave-in conditioner. And then we are going to get into the whole blow drying process. The leave-in conditioner that I'm going to be using today is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor leave-in conditioner. It is crack, okay? And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and distribute this all over my head. It's just best to go ahead and do it in sections, and then we will go from there. But yeah, I'm just gonna let up this section a little bit more, and then I'm just gonna go in with my diamond brush and detangle. And honestly, normally I would finger detangle in the shower, like I said earlier. But since I know I was going in with this blow dryer today, and the bristles look kind of, I just wanted to make sure that I got my hair thoroughly detangled before going in with that blow dryer brush or whatever, because I'm not trying to break my hair off. Okay, we're trying to grow our hair, not break it off, right? Right. So now I'm just going to twist up the section. And then I'm going to keep going throughout my head and just continue the process. Okay, so I'm back. My hair's all twisted up. See, look at that. You can tell I just need to I need to trim that. Anyway. That's besides the point. This is the blow dryer that I'm going to be using. It has bristles and everything, which kind of makes me nervous, I'm not going to lie. And I really legit blow dry my hair, so I can't really tell you if it cuts down on time, because I don't really know how long it would take me, because it's been a very long time since I've actually went in and legit blow dried my hair. So in that aspect, I don't really know if I can answer that for you, but we're just gonna go ahead and get into it because I'm excited and I have been waiting for this thing to come. So I'm just gonna stop rambling and I'm just gonna get into it. Okay. All right. So it has 3 settings. Low, medium, and high. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it has 3 settings: low, medium, and high. This is low, medium, so tell me that's not weird, okay? Because the medium sounded lower than the low, but whatever. I'm not even gonna complain about that. It just smells like a blow dryer. And I am even going to do a smaller section because I'm not trying to set myself up for failure, okay? No, I'm not. So this section is already thoroughly detangled. All right, y'all. Okay, y'all. Girl got itches. Y'all gotta forgive me because I've not straightened my hair, like I said, in a very long time. So, I mean, okay, we already talked about my ends, but that's besides the point, okay? I mean, I definitely could give it a few more passes or whatever, especially in the root area. But girl, y'all better stop playing with me. Okay. I'm feeling it. I am. And my hair is a little wet, y'all. So that definitely has some contributing factors as far as, like, you know, how long it's taken and how many passes I'm having to do. My hair is wet. It's not like super damp or anything. It's actually like, it's fairly wet. Okay. Aside from the nasty split ends that I'm sure you guys can see, trash, but aside from that, my hair looks really good. It looks really good, and I just can't stop touching it. I haven't had straight hair in years, you guys. Years. I don't even remember the last time I straightened my hair. I don't think I have straightened my hair, honestly. Okay, I'm just gonna keep playing with it, so I'm just gonna keep on going. Oh, I'm gonna have to cut so much off. That's besides the point. Health over length. Health over length. That's what we're doing. Health over length. Health over length. But I'm just gonna keep on going. Girl got itches. So I'm all done. And you know, to be fair, this blow dryer did a pretty good job. Like, I can't complain at all. The stuff that's wrong is on my end. Like, my ends are trash. So that's, you know, it's not the blow dryer's fault. But as you can see, I didn't mess up the bristles too much, you know. They still kind of intact. So, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, this blow dryer definitely did what it said it was gonna do. And I mean, honestly, it probably took me a good 30 minutes to do. Like, looking at the time, it was a little bit after 11 when I started, and it was probably close to 12 when I finished. So, I mean, about a good 30-45 minutes. And, I mean, for blow drying all of my hair, like, and it's fairly straight. Like, obviously it's not bone straight like in here, but I mean, I can't complain. I would definitely recommend this blow dryer to anybody who asks me about it. It was only $28.99 off Amazon. I have Prime, so the delivery was free. It only took 2 days to get here, and 30 to 45 minutes to do my, in which really and truly I'm going to say a solid 30 minutes to do my whole entire head. So I'm not complaining. So yeah, definitely look in my description box. I'll have the blow dryer link below. I'll also have Amber's video link below as well, just to show you guys why I rushed out and got it, because I mean, literally, just go watch our video, okay? Just go watch your video. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. So if you guys have any questions regarding how I blow dried it or just the brush in general, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, because I will have more videos to come. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.